Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to quickly set up and install FydeOS on VMware. Open your favorite browser, search for FydeOS. Open this first link or first website. Click on download button. Here is FydeOS for PC and for VMware. If you want to install for PC, first click on Start menu, then open Task Manager, Performance. Check the CPU generation. It is Intel 10 generation. Here is 10750. That means this CPU generation is 10 generation because it is start with 10. If you want to download for 3rd gen to 7th gen, click here. If you want to download for 8th gen to 13th gen, click here. If you use AMD, click here. In this video, I want to install on VMware. Here we have a different way to download FydeOS. I recommend to download from official download. When you download, come to this PC, download. Here I download FydeOS VMware Workstation. Open your VMware Workstation. If you don't have already installed VMware Workstation, I have a separate video for that. How to download and install VMware Workstation. You can find a link of this video in the description. Click on Open Virtual Machine. Come to download. Here is FydeOS. Select and open. Write one name here. Import. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Click on power on the virtual machine. Select your language and input mode. Okay. Get start. FydeOS terms and service. Accept and continue. Again, accept and continue. Which online account would you like to use? I want to use Google account. Next. Choose your FydeOS device setup. Select for personal use. Next. Again, next. Enter your email address. Next. Enter your password. Next. Set a FydeOS device password to make it easier to sign in. Create password for FydeOS. Select this option. Next. Enter your password. Confirm your password. Next. Your password is set. Okay, next. Choose your PIN. I want to select 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Next. Confirm. Next. Done. Choose display and text size. You can zoom in and also you can zoom out. 100% is okay. Next. Personalize your display time. You can select anyone you want. Next. Get started. Now you successfully install FydeOS. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video.